You don't have a space problem, you have a design problem. Design is key with small spaces. When you're designing in a small footprint, it's really, really important to pick out the right pieces, use the right material, and have the right flow. If you do it correctly, you can really pack a lot into a small space and create a beautiful environment for you and your family to enjoy the outdoors. So one of the things in the smaller spaces that we do a lot is an island. So that island has multiple purposes. It can be a dining table, it can be an island, it can be a prep space, it can be a bar. You can use it for a lot of different things, and it really anchors the space and gives you just so many options to design with. So think about that. When you're setting up your kitchen, you're in a smaller space, it's much more cohesive and a nicer flow, and it gives you all those options. Fire on the edge. This is one of my favorite things. You want it to leave it open for dual use. So by putting the fire on the rail or on the edge of your patio, it gives you the option to move furniture around and reconfigure the space. So you can have your lounge there, you can hang out. If you're having friends over for dinner, you can move the table over there. You can set that up and have fireside dinner, which is awesome. Our signature rail top bars. This was specifically designed for smaller spaces. It's free seating. It's ideal for narrow spaces. If you have a long, narrow space, it's a great place to put a rail top bar, and you can leverage beautiful views of the backyard, whether that's a pool or a landscape, or if it's just watching the kids play in the yard. It's a great place for having coffee in the morning, having drinks at night, watching the sunset. Free seating, think about that. So one of the things too, when you're designing a smaller space, a lighter, less visually impactful rail. Our custom rails that you see a lot of, those posts are 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. They're black, they're textured, they disappear into the background. And if they're a light color, when you're sitting on the deck and you're looking out into the backyard, that lights up and your view stops right there. Your view is literally the rail. I hope this really inspired you to do a lot with a little. If you have a space problem, design is the solution. Thoughtful design, you can design a lot into your small space and really create a beautiful environment for you and your family. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.